First, take a look at these videos. These nature videos are getting millions of views, and some creators are making over $5,000 every month with this type content. And the crazy part is, you can create videos like these in just 5 minutes using one AI prompt. In this video, I'll show you the exact process step by step. Before we get started, take a look at this channel. It's a small channel, but almost every video is getting thousands of views. If you follow the exact method I'm about to show you and stay consistent, you have a real chance to grow too. So now let's get started. First, we'll need a detailed AI prompt. I'll leave the complete prompt in the video description. Then we'll use an AI tool called Agent Minimax. Let's get started. Simply copy the prompt and paste it into Agent Minimax, then press enter. Next, type the name of the country you want to create a nature video for. I'll use India as an example. After that, enter your preferred video duration. Minimax will then ask about the video's location, weather, atmosphere, activities, and a few other details. You can either select the options or type your own preferences manually. I'll enter mine and submit it. Finally, it'll ask what animation style you want. I simply wrote, do which one is best for this type of video, and the AI automatically selected the most suitable style for me. Once it's done, Minimax will generate a complete detailed file, download it. Sometimes, instead of a file, it may generate the result as plain text. It includes everything you need, such as the story summary, character references, image generation prompts, and image to video animation prompts for every scene. So, our first step is complete. We now have a complete video creation prompt. Next, we'll use it to generate the images and turn them into videos using Google Flow AI. We'll do everything for free. Google Flow image generation is completely free, and it also provides 50 video generation credits per account. If you need more credits, you can use multiple accounts. Now, copy the first image generation prompt from the Minimax file. Open Google Flow, create a new project, paste the prompt, select image, and press enter. Google Flow will generate the first scene's image. Now, copy the second image generation prompt, go back to Google Flow, attach the previous image, paste the new prompt, and submit it. This keeps every image consistent, so all the scenes match perfectly. Repeat the same process for all the remaining scenes. Once all the images are ready, we'll turn them into videos. Once all the images are generated, go back to the Minimax prompt and copy the first image to video animation prompt. Then open Google Flow, click the 3-dot menu on the first image, select Animate, choose an 8-second duration, paste the prompt, and submit. Your image will now turn into a video clip. Repeat the same process to animate all the images. Set the duration based on each clip, such as 6, 8, or 10 seconds. Once all clips are animated, we'll move to the next step. Great job! We've successfully animated all the images. Now, download each generated video clip. In the free version, you can export videos in 720p quality, which is still clear and high quality. We have completed almost every step of our video creation process. Now, we just need to complete the final step. Combine all the clips together to create the complete video. For this, we'll need a video editing software. You can use any editor you prefer. I'll be using CapCut for this process. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all the downloaded clips, then arrange them in order on the timeline. Since the clips already include smooth transitions, there's no need to add more. You can make additional edits if you like. Once everything looks good, export the final video. And that's it. Your video is ready. Now it's time to publish it. You can upload it to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok and monetize your content. As I mentioned earlier, this type of nature video is trending right now, giving it strong potential to reach a large audience. With consistency and quality, it only takes 1 or 2 videos to gain real momentum. Before you upload your video, here's a quick tip. No matter which platform you use, always add relevant search tags and hashtags. They help improve your video's SEO and make it easier for people to discover your content. Now, let me show you how to generate the right tags for your video. To generate tags, search Google for video tag generator. You'll find several tag generator websites. I'll use Rapid Tags as an example. Simply enter your video title or topic and click generate. It will create relevant tags for your video. Then click copy tags and use them as search tags when uploading your video to any platform. Tags alone aren't enough. To improve your video's reach, you should also use relevant hashtags. The good news is, generating hashtags is just as easy. Let me show you how. To generate hashtags, simply search Google for hashtag generator for video. You'll find several hashtag generator websites. I'll open the first one as an example. The interface is very similar to Rapid Tags. Just enter your video title or topic and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the website will create a list of relevant hashtags for your video. Simply copy them and use them when uploading your video to help improve its reach. That's it! We've completed the entire process. Today, we created a detailed AI prompt, generated images, turned those images into animated video clips, combined them into a complete video, and generated both search tags and hashtags for better reach. If you followed every step carefully, you can start creating videos like these today and begin your content creation journey. Best of luck! Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Creating Studio, and stay tuned for the next video. See you soon.